Hi guys, here at Cromwell level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. We're down a lot earlier this time because there's a freight train coming. Yeah, this is a freight train. I've looked back like 91 back there. This looks like a 70. It is as well. Yeah, this is what we got a maxi last week. This is the freight we got a maxi last week. Yeah, the same one.
In Nottinghamshire with Joe and Adam. Oh, is this the train that we got a maxi?
Well,
there's still red lights up there.
Yeah, he's going the loop, I suppose.
Yeah. Has that got a feather light on?
It will in a minute. There is. That's where Cartmel Trent and that's where Cartmel Trent's got 4 tracks on before it divides into back to 2. We've got a 66 and a 70. 70016.
70016.
And 66501. Yeah, we're in the loop. Look, the feather lights on. Yeah. Seven Joe 60 and 66501 and up they go.
There it goes. That's good for you.
Thanks guys, see you in the next video.